Consider an economy where half of the total income is distributed to the workers. So let the total income be Y. Half of the total income will be half of Y. This goes to the workers. And other half of the income goes to the capitalist. So the remaining half of the income goes to the capitalist. Capitalists save 50% of their income. So here, half of their income was half of the total income. This is saved. And the remaining half of their income, this is consumed. Workers save 25% of their income and consume the rest. So workers save 25% of their income. Their income was half of Y. And consume the rest. So they consume 75% of their income. This is consumption of the worker. The aggregate demand consists of total consumption and total investment. Investment demand is automatically given at 100 units. So I is given to you at 100. Output is demand determined. How does the equilibrium value change if 3/4 of the income? Leave that. First of all, take a moment and calculate equilibrium level of income. Just do that. So this is how you will do. We know the equation y is equal to c plus I plus g plus nx. G is not given to us, nx is not given to us. So I will simply write this as c plus I. Consumption will consist of two parts, consumption by worker and consumption by the capitalist, plus investment. So this will become this. Consumption by worker, it's this much. Consumption by capitalist, it is this much. So I will go ahead and write this here. So this is consumption by worker. Consumption by the capitalist. Investment was 100. This is C plus I equated to Y. And after equating it, I will get Y is equal to 800 by 3. Is this clear? So capitalist was consuming 75% of their income. Their income was half of Y. Sorry, worker. Capitalist was consuming half of their income. Their income was half of Y. Equate this to Y and you will get Y is equal to 800 by 3. This is the most basic thing that we are doing here. Now it says, how does equilibrium income change if 3/4 of the income is distributed to worker and 1/4 to the capitalist? So they're changing the question and saying that worker is getting 3/4 of their income. So yahan par you will get 3/4 here. And capitalist is getting 1/4 of the income. So capitalist will have 1/4. Then worker will save 25 by 100 of their income. Their income is 3/4 of the actual income. And capitalist, so this will become 3/4 of the actual income. And capitalist will save half of their income. Their income will be 1/4 of Y. And here also I will get 1/4 of Y. So the new consumption by the capitalist and worker. So this will be 9/16 of C of Y. This will be the new consumption by the worker. And this will be 1/8 of Y. This will be the new consumption by the capitalist. So this is exactly what I have done here. If 3/4 of the total income is distributed to worker and 1/4 to the capitalist, so worker income is 3/4 of Y. Capitalist is 1/4 of Y. Worker was saving 1/4 of its income and consuming 3/4 of its income. So 3/4 of 3/4 Y and half of 1/4 Y. So this will be 3/4 into 3/4 Y. This will be half into 1/4 Y plus 100. You solve this equation and you will get the value of Y as 320. So this is the new value of the Y. So the change in the income will be 320 minus 800 by 3, and you will get the answer as 160 by 3. So the equilibrium output will increase by 160 by 3. So the answer to this question will be A. equilibrium output increases by 160 by 3.